Assalamu alaikum. Women Cost and Reform, Chapter, Book History, Class 8th, Exercise Continue. आज का क्वेश्चन नंबर हमें 7 है. How did Polly the reformer justify their criticism of caste inequality in society? Answer. Polly developed his own ideas about the injustice of caste society. He did not accept the Brahmins' claim that they were superior to others since they were Aryans. He argued that the Aryans were foreigners who came from outside the subcontinent and defeated the native Indians. As Aryans established their supremacy, they began looking at the Indians as inferior. According to Polly, the upper caste has no right to their land and power. In reality, the land belongs to low castes. Question number 8. Why did Polly dedicated his book Gulamgiri to the American movement of free slaves? Polly ने एक अहम किताब गुलामगिरी लिखी थी. उसने अमेरिका में जो मूवमेंट हुई थी, सिविल मूवमेंट, उनको क्यों वो डेडिकेट की. Polly wrote a book Gulamgiri before some 10 years this American Civil War has been fought, leading to the end of slavery in America. Polly dedicated this book to all Americans who has fought to free slaves, thus established a link between the conditions of the lower castes in India and the black slaves in America. Question number 9, प्यारे बच्चों. Why did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar want to achieve through the temple entry movement? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar started a temple entry movement in 1927, which was participated by his Mahar caste followers. Brahman priests were outraged when the lower caste used water from the temple tank. Dr. Ambedkar led 3 such movements for temple entry. His aim was to make everyone see the power of caste prejudices within the society. इसके साथ हमारी इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज भी कंप्लीट हुई. इंशाल्लाह आगे हम और हिस्ट्री के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. तो उम्मीद है कि आपको इन क्लासेस से फ़ायदा मिलता होगा. बाकी अस्सलाम वालेकुम.